busted a rail. We gave it a quick fix. So it's time to replace it properly. First thing we want to do is cut the old wire out close to where it's been knotted up. That way we can use this wire for ties. So the next thing we want to do is we want to measure out our existing joggle so we know how we want to cut the rail out. So I've got a few little marks on the end of this rosewood rail, and it just gives me a bit of something to look at while I'm chainsawing. So here's one end done. We'll have to lift him up and see how he fits. So we got the end of our rail fitted into the joggle. Up this end, you didn't need any cutting off the rail, you just needed the end of the rail cut on that angle. So we're going to wire these rails into the post with a knot we call a cock and co. First of all, we just measure about how much wire we need. We need about that much. And then we fold the wire back onto itself. Measuring, cutting. Cut the wire through the rail. I'm gonna put a sharp kink in where it goes through the rail. I'm gonna put another sharp kink about where it's going to go to the next one. Give it one more hit. Did last the button. Put them tight. Cut the tails off. Bend the tails in so nothing gets caught up. There's a few little sharp edges around the place, so we'll just give them a trim off. Make sure it's super safe for the horses. replaced. Now we're ready for our next bit of breaking in.